Go.
These are Richard Boats. You can go Richard Boats Inc. They cost only $5, and you can go to Crazy Dude, Crazy Cool Dudes on YouTube. And one of these are like kindness boats. This one says love. This one says hope, and this one says trust. This one says kind, and that one says care. You know how we did these like this way? My father made stencils.
To put the words.